Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and again we have a special guest today. My wife Kendra will be joining us for another episode of our February series, Be My Valentine, where we're encouraging our family and friends within our quarantine bubble to step on the mat with us and stay active and healthy. Today we have a 5-minute core workout for you. Let's go ahead and get started. If you're ready to learn something new, smash that thumbs up button and let's get on the mat. Honey, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get it. We're getting ready to begin with some heel taps. We're going to lie flat on our back, knees are bent, and shoulders are on the ground. We're going to exhale and come up, raising our shoulder blades off the ground, tapping our right heel before we return as we inhale and repeat. This time coming up to our opposite side. Inhaling through our nose on the way down. Exhaling through our mouth on the way up. Getting those shoulder blades off the ground. And we return to our starting position. We have a couple of seconds left here. Go ahead and take a 15-second rest. We're going to go ahead and move forward to a crunch with a leg raise next. Buddy, you ready? Let's do it. For these, we're going to lie flat on our back, and we're going to simply crunch as we raise our legs off the ground and return to our starting position. Legs extended or legs bent. We can raise them up as we simultaneously crunch. And if you need a variation, feel free to either just do the crunch or just bring those legs in. Either way, you'll be working out that abdomen. Great job. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. We're going to go ahead and move on to our next move, which is going to be a flutter kick. For this one, we're going to lay flat on our back, and we're going to raise our legs up until our lower back is flat on the ground. Then, we are going to move one leg at a time, fluttering our kicks. In through our nose, and out through our mouth, and we move with coordination. If you need a variation for this, feel free to either hold your legs up, or just take it nice and slow. There's no rush. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Great job. We're going to go ahead and move on to another move, which is going to be bicycle crunches. For this exercise, we're remaining on our back, and we're going to bring our legs up. We're going to begin by extending our opposite leg and bringing our opposite elbow to our knee, and then alternating to the opposite side. Keeping our shoulder blades off the ground, and we're moving, breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Make sure you're using your core and don't strain your neck. Great job. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we're coming up for some Russian twists. Let's go ahead and sit up. Legs are slightly bent, and we're going to sit back slightly, and we're going to rotate between right and left. Getting our core, a bit of a twist here. Honey, how you feeling?
I can feel my abs burning.
Yeah, it's getting hot in here, isn't it? We have a couple of seconds left here. Moving forward to some sitting toe taps. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take a 15-second break, and we're going to move into our seated toe taps. For this, we have an option. We're going to stay in the same position, and we're going to simply raise one leg at a time, tapping opposite ankle with opposite hand. Continue to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And if you need a variation, then simply remove the leg raise and continue to move, tapping your alternating ankle. Great job. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. We're gonna move forward to dead bugs next. Go ahead and lie flat on your back. And we're going to bring our legs up. Again, keeping our back nice and flat here, and our arms come up. We're going to move opposite arm and leg, extending it out, and alternating sides. Breathing in through our nose, and out through our mouth. Inhale, exhale. If you need a variation for this exercise, we're going to simply play dead and hold the dead bug here. Focus on your breathing. Great job, my friends. That completes today's workout. That was a quick little one. How you feeling?
I feel good after that one.
You look as beautiful as ever. If you guys enjoyed this video, my friends, please give this a thumbs up. And don't forget to watch our next video for Be Our Valentines, which will be released next Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching. And again, have a wonderful day.